Hi guys, Dr. Doug Graham here with you today, and I'm just so excited about the Raw Nature Retreat. Harriet Kjaer had the most amazing idea. She's been a student of mine for almost a decade and a world-class athlete for much longer than that. And she said, can't we do a raw food retreat in Europe where the entire focus is on helping people build their fitness, their physique, and reach their health goals? Let's really make a fitness retreat. So she's put together Raw Nature Retreat. The best food, the best fitness, the best teachers. I mean, we're uncompromising on this one, and it's the first of its kind ever. You gotta come. I mean, I'm gonna be there, Harriet's gonna be there, we've got a few surprises in store for you. It's gonna be the retreat of the year, I think. It's really something special, and if you're interested in taking your fitness to the next level, you wanna reach that physique of your dreams, you wanna have a good time in the camaraderie of like-minded individuals, come to Raw Nature Retreat. I'm looking forward to spending really intimate, personal, one-on-one time with you.